Did you know that every Jotform form automatically comes with a ready-to-use PDF document? No setup, no design work. It's generated instantly based on your form structure. In this video, I'll show you how to access and customize your form's default PDF. Start by selecting your form. In Form Builder, click the Jotform logo or menu icon in the top left corner. From the panel that opens, click PDF Editor. Your default PDF document will open automatically. This document is generated based on your form fields and includes all submitted responses in a clean, printable layout. On the left side, you'll see the Add Element panel. Here, you can manually add elements to customize your layout. To add something new, click or drag it onto the page. The basic elements include text, heading, image, line, signature, and box. The large center area shows a live preview of your PDF. This section lets you add or reposition form fields. To edit an element, click directly on it in the PDF preview. Then, click on the gear icon near the element to view the settings in the right panel. And that's how you use and customize your default PDF document in Jotform. It's automatically generated, fully editable, and ready to share, helping you send professional responses instantly. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.